If you're not making any progress with your singing, I'm going to tell you my 5 main reasons. And you know me, I don't sugarcoat things. I'm going to be honest and tell you directly. Welcome back to another edition of Victoria's Vocal Tips. 34 years of teaching voice, 46 years of studying voice, all different styles. My students have ranged from ultra beginners all the way through advanced touring professionals, voice teachers, choral directors, and competition winners. I always give you serious vocal technique made simple and fun. First big reason for no progress: no structured plan. Many singers don't know what that means. Good and long-lasting results don't come from practicing your song over and over again if you don't know what you're doing. Vocal exercises are what will build and train your voice. And I don't mean just warm-up exercises. I mean targeted exercises that specifically address your particular vocal needs. Not the same old repetitious exercises that everyone else does. And this is why I developed my audio exercise training program, but I'll tell you about that later. And then, of course, you need to know how to apply your vocal exercises to your songs, or else they're not going to do you much practical good. See my playlist on vocal exercises, and I will enclose all of the links in the description box below. Second big reason for no progress: focusing on the wrong things. It makes me a little bit crazy when I see beginners killing themselves over belting, high notes, whistle tone, when they can't even sing at a moderate volume in their middle voice. Or they don't understand the principles of breathing and breath support. Please get the basics down first and don't run before you can walk. If you're a beginner, see my playlist for beginners, your step-by-step guide. Number 3, not practicing consistently and correctly. Consistent and correct practice are what are going to build good habits and build muscle memory so that it becomes built in and your singing becomes more automatic. And remember that shorter and more frequent practice sessions are far better than practicing 2-3 hours on a weekend. Even on a busy day, you can still find 10 little minutes to practice, and you can do that even in the bathroom. You know what happens when singers don't practice, even if it's just for a few minutes, 6 days a week? They say, oh, I'm too busy to practice. Oh, I forgot how to sing. I guess I can't sing. Forget it. Fourth reason for no progress: picking the wrong songs. Pick songs that are appropriate for your stage of development and for your voice type. Your songs can either help you or hold you back. So don't pick a song that's too hard, that's just going to frustrate you. It's far better to pick an easier song where, again, you can build good habits and build confidence before moving on to something more challenging. And if you're a beginner, sing an easier song first that sits in the most comfortable part of your range, probably your middle voice, so that you can experience the freedom and joy of singing first. See my video on Are Your Songs Helping or Holding You Back? Fifth reason for no progress: being impatient. Some singers are so impatient. They want everything now. And when they don't get it right away, they give up. For example, I've had singers say, oh, I tried that exercise for vibrato and it didn't work. And I say, well, how many times did you do it? And they say, once. Some things in singing take a longer time to develop, and vibrato is one of them. Whereas other things in singing can make an immediate difference. So be realistic with your expectations and have patience. Plus, please remember to acknowledge and be grateful for every little bit of progress you make. As I said, a structured practice plan will help you progress more quickly rather than spinning your wheels. Now, if you still haven't gotten my audio exercise training program, Victoria's Vocal Exercise Program, I don't know what you're waiting for. I give you a short and a long workout, plus hundreds of options depending upon what your particular vocal needs are. It's for beginning to advanced level singers. And we troubleshoot all kinds of vocal problems, and we have sections on style, vocal colors, textures, 2 sections on vowels. Plus, it's super affordable, and the best part is I do regular group classes with members, and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. It is now time for Victoria's Wisdom. Good singing is a lifelong endeavor. Practice consistently, practice smart, and enjoy the process. See my playlist on singing practice, and this is the video that YouTube feels you should watch next. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.